Want to see something cool? When you're a tinkerer, technician, engineer, just a science gangster, you stop seeing the world as it is, but as it could be. Parts is parts, and parts are everywhere if you possess an inquisitive mind and a passion to learn how things work. I was getting groceries the other day, wandering through Meijer, and I happened upon... I don't even know. But this daft disco bunny gives us the opportunity to teach a high-tech lesson with a low-tech, well, I'm not really certain just what the hell this is, but it looks like something from your mom's nightstand. Have a look at the wispy bits. I'm pretty sure they're just monofilament, like a fishing line, but it works well enough to illustrate a cool engineering concept. So let's embrace the darkness and have a butcher's. There's a psychedelic LED happening inside, nothing exciting there, but look at the fibers. Bright at the ends, but dim in the middle, like World War II. The reason for this is what makes optical fibers remarkable. It's a process called total internal reflectance. Light likes to travel in a straight line, and it's almost never going parallel down the long axis of the optical fiber. TIR is the phenomenon where light traveling down a fiber heads out towards the edge and reflects back in when it hits something with a different refractive index. In a real optical fiber, that's a glass core with a layer of cladding around it. When the incident light hits the core and cladding boundary, it bounces back into the core for another pass. By doing this, it can travel amazingly long distances with minimal loss out at the side. Kind of like tropospheric ducting with radio waves. Same idea, but different mechanism. If you really want to bend your brain, it's the same stuff too, just different wavelengths and energy levels. They're both oscillating electric and magnetic fields that travel as photons, and they're both part of the electromagnetic spectrum. In the case of our toy here, I don't know if there's any cladding at all. It may be working on the boundary to air, or not really working much at all, given that we're only traversing such a short distance from our little optical insertable fun bunny. But it works! The end of the fiber is way brighter than the sides, and even with a stupid little toy here, we got to learn all kinds of things about optical engineering and networking. The world is a pretty incredible place if you stop to look around a bit. And that's pretty cool.